Okay, in this video we're checking out this kind of weird FPV USB cable from FXT, the FX108. USB input on this side, and probably some sort of power regulator barrel connector over here. And it says here that this will increase your output voltage for a battery bank or power bank from 5 volts to 9 volts. And it says it keeps a 9 volts and 1 amp stable output. And then it shows you how this would work. Power bank, cable, 9 volts out. And obviously this is for your 2S goggles, monitor. Some of that's a Fat Shark. They have an FPV monitor here, and this is their FPV monitor headset goggle here. So, let's see, I haven't actually opened it up yet. Okay, so yeah, not much in here, just the cable, and nothing else in the box. And yeah, you get the USB port or plug on this end, pretty long cable, and then you got your barrel connector here, and this looks like a different size than what's on my Fat Sharks. Let's see here. Not sure if they're the same or not. Well, maybe they are. Looks like the end of the plug, this looks a little bit different. Let's see if this will actually plug in. Yeah, it goes in. Alright, so let's see if this works. I got a power bank here. I'll plug that in, power this on. So 9 volts ought to be coming out of here, and I ought to turn on my Fat Sharks. Yep. Fat Sharks are coming on. So yeah, it looks like if it's just outputting 9 volts here, it's kind of doing what I did with my little Furious FPV Power case mod here with the 9 volt regulator. Outputs 9 volts here. But the idea here, I guess, with this cable, and obviously there's some kind of regulator inside here, there's a little LED. And yeah, obviously the idea is to use some sort of a external power source, like a USB power bank like I have here, and you can then power up your goggles. I guess this could be something you could use on a regular basis for whatever you happen to want to use a power bank in this particular format, or as a backup. I would probably just keep this around my bag as a backup, because I have a power bank usually in my car, and if my normal battery case here dies for whatever reason, I don't have power, then I could probably use this. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little product. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Yeah, not a whole lot here to talk about in terms of the cable. So I think if we unplug this here, I still have power. That means it must be that this is actually powered on from the USB port, and that's when it turns on. So there's really nothing. There's no switches or dials or anything like that. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So if you guys want to check it out, put a link in the description. And also, if you're here for the giveaway, FXT will be giving away one of these to one lucky winner. Just have to put a comment down below, one comment only, and I'll pick a winner in a week or two. So stay tuned for that video when I select the winner, because you'll have 48 hours to claim your prize. If you miss that video, then I'll select another winner. And yeah, so make sure your notification bell's turned on so you don't miss a video and don't miss out when that winner is announced. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.